let's get ready to go.
I'll be happy when I'm out there on the water. You want to see how it works?
We're back on board getting her ship shape.
My dad would probably like this.
And today, we're fixing stuff.
I've rewired the control board. I'm just gonna apply power. And we're gonna have fire extinguisher.
It's Friday morning.
Plus, I'll take you through a day on board.
Yeah, look at you. Let him do it, Dad.
Oh, all right.
Are you ready? Let's do it.
Bryn, when did you start walking? She just walked across the floor. She just started that, like, today. Nope. That was cool. So how do you feel moving back into the boat?
I feel good. I mean, I got a little emotional at the RV, not because it's time to move on and come back to the boat, but we had a lot of memories.
Yeah?
In there.
Well, we'll continue making memories on Calypso. So all the stuff that was on the RV is back, and it's slowly getting its way packed back into the boat.
We still have some more stuff. We'll work it out for sure. I'll be happy when I'm out there on the water.
It's great to be back. Time to start cleaning.
How you like that power tool?
It's amazing. I was just thinking my dad would probably like this.
Santa brought that.
You want to see how it works?
This thing is awesome. It makes scrubbing so much easier.
The only thing is you can't use it like on the top part of it. It swirls.
No, but in the RV shower I could because it was glass.
Right, yeah. It was like ceramic, whatever, tile. Hey, what are you doing? Here we go. Oh, you want that? Okay.
That's complete. Let's get the AC running. Our main unit had a major electrical fail. Jeremiah finally got all the parts, so he's rebuilding it. He replaced the capacitor, one of the circuit boards, and all of the affected wiring.
I've rewired the control board. I've like double, triple checked it. I'm just gonna apply power and see if the unit comes on. I'll film while I'm doing that with the GoPro. See if it pops or anything. Don't worry, I have a fire extinguisher. All right. See if it pops a circuit breaker or anything like that. Here we go. So there is full voltage going to this board right now. I'm gonna open the through hull next and see if we can turn it on.
Hopefully it goes as planned. Otherwise, we may have to replace the entire unit.
This is the March pump that I replaced. Showing 80 degrees.
Only thing left was to turn it on.
There's no water pump before. So it's making water right now. Yes, right over there. Water is running. Let's look at that March pump. Make sure it's not spitting everywhere because that's brand new. Running good. That was the main symptom. The water pump stopped working. I came in here, all the wires were fried. I'm just gonna kind of run it. Just watch it for a while before we put it back up in there.
That went great. Like he said, we'll just monitor for any issues. Then we'll install the panel in a few days or so. The repair without the pump costs about $50. Great job, baby.
Just waking up. It's Friday morning. Boat's a mess. But Fridays are usually like the kickoff to our weekend. We do kind of run on a schedule on the boat. Most people are like, oh, I'm doing this so I can just be free and stuff, and we are free. But the way Jeremiah and I are is we need to be on some sort of schedule in order to operate. That's just who we are. Especially me. So it's Friday. We worked really hard on video editing, blog stuff, Vimeo, the server, Instagram, all our social media stuff, Monday through Thursday. Jeremiah's still like dumping footage, and stuff, but we don't have like homeschool today. Bed's a mess, gotta make it. I'm about to hit the shower. I believe he is dumping footage, right?
Well, I'm putting footage on the, I'm like putting it out of the cards and putting it into the Final Cut Pro.
Okay, so then that way we have a bunch of free space to film.
Yeah, here's all the cards I'm emptying. And then I take it, I put it in Final Cut Pro, I put it over here, and then I'll dump it onto another external drive just in case this one fails, so there's a backup.
All her stuff everywhere, then we got camera stuff everywhere. Let's see, what does the kitchen look like this morning? Oh yeah, big mess. Things have gotten a little bit more challenging with the baby aboard. It's all good and all worth it, just as far as like space, and just because there's toys and stuff now, but we seem to do a pretty good job. I'm gonna hit the shower real quick while the baby's napping, and then I'll kind of get the bed all tidied up. Even though we're on the dock, we've been keeping our water tanks full just in case we have to pull off real quick and leave. Water heater's been on for about a half an hour, so the water should be nice and hot. And then turn on my fresh water pump, and then I can take a lovely shower. So we have a pump in here that pumps out the water. Just push that down, and there it goes. I'm gonna get dressed for the day.
It's time to get the little one up from her nap.
Let's see what the little crier's up to. Well, hello. I'm gonna turn the light on. Woo! You ready? You gonna come? Come here. Can you say hi? Hi. Can you blow me a kiss? Mwah. Mwah. Oh, you're cute. Where's your bunny? Yeah. Get your bunny. Her great grandma got her this bunny. She loves it. Oh, you gonna hug the bunny? Aww. She has her other friends here. Her little bear, Jessie doll, her little baby. We have a camera right here. It's not the prettiest, but it works. Here's her sound machine. Come on, let's go. Oh, this. What's this? It's a camera. Hi. Oh, you.
So everything here, the microwave, the air fryer, and the cooktop, which is electric start, runs off a plug that's underneath here.
Yeah, under here.
Yeah, and whenever you hit the circuit breaker board there, it activates that. So
yeah, it turns everything on.
Wait, that fan.
Yeah, the fan's behind the air fryer.
Yeah, we're trying to look at it.
Oh.
Is it lit up back there? Yeah, you can see it lit up. There's a double fan back there, so that works great.
Yeah, whenever it comes up to temperature, or it knows when it gets too much heat back there, it kicks on. Sometimes I'll be done using the air fryer and then it kicks on.
Yeah, because the heat accumulates and whatever. All right, well, we'll eat and then do maintenance and hang out, and then today's Supercross.
Yes, but I'm gonna go to the pool.
But we're gonna re-caulk that today. I'm gonna teach him how to do that.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I noticed, well, we've had some damaging going on. Look, it's wet again.
Yeah, well, it's because it's leaking. It's basically just leaking up in the seal.
Yeah, right here. When we were doing dishes, we were like, okay, we must be just like spewing water everywhere. That's not the case. It's actually leaking, and I'd run like a paper towel down here, I'd dry it, I'd come back and check, and I'm like, wow, it's all wet again.
It's leaking up under the lip.
Yeah, and seeping through the wood.
Yeah.
And causing a bit of an issue. So after lunch, we'll do that. Jalapeno and cheese pizzas.
Then we spent some time relaxing at the pool with the kids.
Yeah, it's you. Now you're rah rah. Woo!
Later, the boys got busy with caulking the sink.
We want a smaller hole, so we're going to cut it up here so we can like go real sharp in there. Look at this. See it moving? Watch. All it does is push that thing forward, right?
Reese is 8 now. He's getting more involved with maintenance, which we love seeing. He's going to grow up having some serious skills, just like his daddy.
How about I do this
Yeah.
and you do the moving?
Perfect.
This caulk will fix our leaking issue, and it will dry clear so you can hardly see it.
Let him do it, Dad.
All right, hold on. Oh, all right.
Coming up, We're finishing our to-do list.
I'm gonna pour it in there. You fit it all in your electronic bag?
Jeremiah will leave us for a night and, of course, everything will fall apart.
It could potentially sink our boat. Of course, it happened when Jeremiah was gone.
We'll fix our trampolines.
It's always been a struggle.
And you'll get a great tip on oil changes.
See, working so hard that you might want to drink.
All that plus more. Then we're dropping the lines in our island bound, baby. Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.